is a special message from the National Weather Service. For the following counties, in North Carolina, Anson and Stanley. Flood warning in effect from this evening until further notice. What? Minor flooding is occurring. Where? Rocky River near Norwood. When? From this evening until further notice. Impacts at 16.0 feet, action stage. The river begins to overflow its banks in some areas upstream of the gauge site. At 20.0 feet, minor flood stage. There is significant overflow into adjacent pasture and lowlands. Additional details, at 7:30 p.m. Tuesday the stage was 20.8 feet. Forecast. No forecast is available for this location. Flood stage is 20.0 feet. Flood history. No available flood history. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.